Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making chicken pockets. Which ingredients I am using? I am using 500 grams of chicken fillets and press with hammer. Now turn the side and again press. Now it's done. In chicken, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon whole spices powder, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Now mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, in a pan add 2 tablespoons of oil and place marinated fillets. Cook on low flame for 3 minutes each side. After 3 minutes, turn the side and cook again for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, now it's done. Take out from the pan. It's done. Now shred the chicken. Now it's done. Need a bowl. Add 1 cup of cucumber cut in small pieces. Add 1 cup cabbage chopped. 1/4 cup capsicum cut in small pieces. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Mix well. Cucumber and cabbage salsa is ready. In a squeeze bottle, add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, half cup tomato ketchup. Now mix well. For pockets, using 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of yeast. Add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Now mix well. Add half teaspoon of salt and mix again. I am using 1 cup of warm water. Add water. Add water gradually to knead dough. Again add water. After 5 minutes it's done. Add half teaspoon of oil and leave for 40 minutes. 45 minutes. Knead dough again. Leave for 3 minutes. Take a small dough and make a ball. Sprinkle flour and roll out dough with roller. Now it's done. Heat the pan and place pita. Cook on low flame from both sides. Now turn the side and press. Now it's done. Now cut pita bread from center. Now add mayonnaise. Now spread. Add chicken. Now add salsa. Add sauce. Now chicken pockets ready. It's yummy and delicious. Love it, eat it and tell me how it is. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.